Here's my recipe for dirty rice. In a hot skillet, add 1 pound of ground beef. Brown and chop your ground beef. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Once you've mixed that in, add 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Now add a half a cup of onion. Add a half a cup of green pepper. Add 2 stalks of celery. Add 2 stems of green onion. Add about 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of rosemary. Add a 1/4 cup of water and cover for about 10 minutes, or at least until your veggies are soft. Once your veggies are soft, add about 2 cups of cooked rice. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.